close for the night. You know, no business for the night. No business. I be a fuck where we at talk. Man, lock off that bomb buckler, yeah, man. Lock off the fucking computer. Remember if you buy white paint for them fucking car there. Remember if you buy the fucking what's the outside piece for the fucking brick house them, if you cover them up back. And the fucking back door. That's all you need in that house there, my girl. Deal with the bathroom and take out the garbage out of the garage. Yeah, back door cost like $5,000. Yeah, man, for lock down everybody. Black out the body boy them. Yeah. What else, I say? Thanks to mac and cheese, them thief the fucking, what you call it? What that again? Spinach. Yeah, spinach. Them thief the spinach. Floor cleaner. Floor cleaner can go on still, you see me? Pussy them put in a food instead. Yeah, food come give me no eat no night still, you see me? Take a soup from a girl there. She get you back already, you know. You see boy them and them soup. Cause them see she and me and them soup, I don't know what them are do. You know? And so they expire, I'm sure them where food man there. Him still open in a 24 hour, you know? If you can't get your chicken over rice, yeah, so you go buy a hospital. If you can't get it, well, you know already. Who the fuck I go so far tonight? Dumb fucks, eh? Yeah, I remember Jersey. When you touch what that Madison there, so Madison that, yeah. You can get your medicine right by motherfucking Senai Pharmacy. It's not really Senai Pharmacy, it's Madison have for dep on that building there. You know? You can't, I know, you put Senai up on top of that, you know where the fuck him a do. I know Senai. You know? Pussy was seen. Apple fi go up there, Apple Avenue. They're right there, so. Yeah. Boy, my boy. I nah go call you, no. Type a name, Mr. Trump, you know? Yeah, man. Everything good, man. Me shoot a girl there out of her blood clot presidency already. I'll be a man for use my identity. This them blood clot one drive around, you know. Some reason. I don't know where the fuck is it. Must see Rasta man buy that one there and think they're going to go sleep, you know? Everything good though. Yeah. Yeah, what else you say again? Oh yeah, my stolen phone and film stole Rasta man stolen phone. From New York Clarkson. That's all. I wonder if them pick up the garbage from the side of the hospital and keep on attack, but if me I come to hospital. Yeah, my body boy, man. Return my phone all now. Tell him say 5 minutes me I give him, you know. Time actually wrong, my boy. At 4:47 in the day, me did a wait for you. And me still a wait for you 1:46 in the night. And 4:47 in the morning, your thief something from me there, so. Maybe. Some crazy shit, eh? So when you get a shower today and everything, and sort out and give me a bottle of water and a bottle of juice. At the $5 they done. Miss Lady. Nobody nothing know your name. Close still for sale. Clothing store. We're not closing any store. I think after dark we are sell clothes. We are sell them anyway. You know. I guess all of them people they were shutters down a clothing store them. Them get fuck, you know. This fucking English language fuck up on our brain. I send back 10 diamond to Mr. Iceman. So that supposed to cover everything. Send off him, them him do him security work. Him build up him little house. And probably buy him car. Yeah man. You think that good enough? Why the fuck you want to see who they behind me and talk to me? Oh yeah. What's this information? A new number sometime. Sometime I'm a number. Batty boy, take that out of iPhone 4 for me, please. 311354. You have the rest already. Everything good. 347 number. You charge him around 200 million. You know how much number me I go have if him not return my property. Little pit me I charge. Yeah. That's one good number. I pay my bill in a while. Never matter. I pay my bill, them shot him and I made everything all good. Yeah, what else me get last night from her? I get 2 beer from her last night, man. Around 12 o'clock, so. 2 beer, 2 Budweiser. Yeah. 2 Budweiser from this store. How much money that? You don't even know, you know. It's 250. Over here, so. Because no thief, you know. Remember when the world end, you know, my boss. 150 for soda them. That's all me I tell you. On a little fuckery glass, on a think on sell me and thief. On get fucked. Once that disappear, 150 for your soda over here, so. Yeah, and maybe all once a week you go can get sitting out of this. When you expire, you think you get nothing free, you don't get fucked. You don't reach the area yet. But you are my son and blood clot also every time. You know? Everything good, you know, and even that me I talk about. You know, if you're not in your 34, don't fuck with me, boy. Everything good. Fuck your thing, you know, bless you, man. Oh yeah, remember to wash it through ice in your grill. Just throw it in there and lock it for the night, alright? And everything good. Unless your teeth them a go fall out. Yeah, them teeth me buckle a bleach. That me did care about, not the Mr. Lee. Bleach. Me a worry about icy hat, man. Fucking bleach. And I still have to wash them foot. Oh yeah, good night, man. Good night. None of them car and must be mine, you know. Them in a game still. You see me rolling at them before. I don't even have license plate on it. That look like a mine cross the road. That big ugly Nissan there in front. That fina yard front the Bima. Left the Bima there on the road. A boy they did a buy me a jelly. Him no buy me nothing. Little more.